Okay, welcome everyone. Welcome to this video. This is a video of a proof of concept of the interactive limitless script. With this script, you can send and receive any type of data to and from the Streamlabs chatbot scripting API. This means like the WebSockets that it already has, it is an expanded version of that. Alright, in this example we have an spinning wheel which gives you a random price of points, and when you run the command it displays it in the stream with the OBS browser extension. So let's do when we send the command spin, the wheel will start spinning in the stream and it will send us a price. Let's see it. Alright, it starts and we get 20 points. Alright, we got 20 points and it shows in the chat that we got 20 points. So now let's do it again. Alright, we got 220. That's great. So yeah, this is like a proof of concept of what you can do with the script I made. I will leave you down below in the description the links to the library, to the script that I made, so you can send and receive message with the WebSockets and TCP sockets. Alright, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments please. See you next time.